Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So we are continuing with the third lesson children, the Great Northern Plains. So in the previous video we saw about how the northern plains are located, and we saw about the two basins children. One is Sutlej basin and the Ganga basin. So in today's video we are going to see about the Brahmaputra basin children. So in your online class also I have shown the place how the Brahmaputra flows children, okay, in the northeastern states. Okay, so it originates in the Tibet children. It originates in the Tibet. So when it flows through that, it is known as Sangpo. T is silent children. So it is, the river is known as Sangpo. Okay. So what happens? It originates in Tibet and flows through, coming to India children. So the first state to enter is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh children. Then next it flows through Assam state. Okay, then it moves to Bangladesh children. The river almost drains into the Bangladesh. Okay, so what happens? I have told you also. So in Bangladesh, this Brahmaputra river joins with the Ganga river children. So it is named as Padma, okay, and it drains into Bay of Bengal children, okay. Then as the soil is fertile, we can grow different types of crops children. Some of the important crops are jute and rice, okay. Then tea gardens are very famous here children, okay. Tea gardens are very famous. And one of the important thing about Brahmaputra, no children, when it rains heavily, the Brahmaputra is flooded children. It will flow like anything. You should see in the news children, videos of showing Brahmaputra being flooded. They will be showing in the news. You can watch that children, okay. Sometimes islands are also formed children in the where the river flows, okay. It gives or it brings the fertile soil children, the silt, which helps in the growth of crops, okay. So that one you can learn children, and this region is extremely fertile children, okay. The next one, some of the things, stays in the northern plains and the life of people. So starting from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. So these states, how they are, okay, the life in the regions, that one we are going to see children. The first one is Punjab, okay. The Punjab is called the land of 5 rivers children, okay. So 5 rivers is flowing. So Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Beas children, okay. So mainly it is the Sutlej and the Beas which is flowing, and it joins with the river Indus in Pakistan children, and it forms a very big river children, Indus river, okay. So its capital is Chandigarh children. So you would have learnt in the first lesson, Chandigarh is a union territory and it is capital for both Punjab and Haryana children, okay. So it is capital of both Punjab and Haryana, okay. So mainly in the Indian part, as I told you, the Sutlej and the Beas children, okay, mainly forms the Indian part, and then it joins with the river Indus in Pakistan children, okay. Then they are the tributaries, okay, because it goes and joins with the river Indus, no. So we can say this Sutlej and Beas are the tributaries children. Okay. Then other big cities in Punjab are Amritsar, Ludhiana and Jalandhar children, okay. Once again I repeat, Amritsar, Ludhiana and Jalandhar are the big cities children, and as the rivers are flowing, no, so agriculture is the main occupation children. Then I wanted to tell you about the Golden Temple children. Okay. Why it is golden temple? No, that gopuram or the outside the design is there. No, it is plated with gold, children. So the Sikh people visit the golden temple, children, which is located in Amritsar. How we go for Rameshwaram or Tirupati? No, like that. Sikh people go to the golden temple, children. Okay. Then what are the famous dances? No, it is Bhangra and Gida. You very well know about Bhangra, children. So beating to the drums, it is a very energetic dance. Okay, Bhangra and Gida, children. So what are the food items they eat? No, that is makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Okay, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Their favorite dish items, children. And then what are the festivals celebrated are Lohri and Baisakhi, children. Lohri and Baisakhi. Okay. So these are, every state will have its own importance, children. Okay. So you know about what is there in Karnataka. Like that you also learn about the other states, children. Okay. The next one is about the state Haryana, children. So in your map you see where Haryana is located, it is south of Punjab, children. Okay, it is south of Punjab. So its capital is also Chandigarh, children. Okay, it is a well planned city, children. Very neat. Okay, covered with the trees, everything. So Chandigarh is a well planned city and it is a union territory, as it is capital of both Punjab and Haryana, children. Okay. Then you have the some important cities are there, children. Okay. So they are Ambala, Hisar, Panipet, Faridabad and Gurugram. Okay. So these are the important cities, children. Once again I repeat: Ambala, Hisar, Panipet, Faridabad and Gurugram. So you have a famous rock garden here, children. In this textbook they have given a rock garden in Chandigarh. Okay. And then their main occupations are farming, cattle rearing and dairy farming. Dairy farming means cows and buffaloes, children, rearing, and we get milk from them. No? So that is a dairy product. Okay. And then cattle rearing means like goat, sheep, like that also they rear, children. And then you have what are the crops grown? You know, wheat, rice, oil seeds, pulses, barley, millets, cotton, maize and sugarcane, children. So the Haryana also gets more water, children. So these many crops are also grown in Haryana. Okay. So some tourist places are also there, children, in Haryana. So what are they? You will see Surajkund, Sultanpur National Park and Kurukshetra. Okay. These three tourist places are there, children. Surajkund, Sultanpur National Park and Kurukshetra. Okay. So these are the important features of Haryana, children. Okay. So take your textbook and you can read out the points over there, children. So one more video I will put for the remaining states, children.